Hey guys, welcome to my channel. Today I'm going to teach you how to crochet the chain stitch. Before we can crochet the chain stitch, there are three things I'm going to need to teach you. One is how to hold the hook. There are two ways to hold the hook. Today I'm going to be using a H5mm crochet hook. So there are two ways to hold the hook. One way is the knife grip, which is the way I prefer and I'm going to be teaching you. In the knife grip, you're going to be moving your whole arm and your wrist. For the pencil grip, you're just going to be moving your fingers. So you can choose whichever one is more comfortable for you. Another thing you're going to need to learn how to do is a slip knot. There's many different ways how to do the slip knot, but I'm just going to teach you a pretty simple way. So take the yarn, the tail end, which is the end not connected to the, you're going to make a little U. And then the tail end, which is the end not connected to the ball of yarn, is going to cross over the working end, which is the end connected to the ball of yarn. And make a little fish. Then you're going to put your finger where the two pieces of yarn intersect and put the little loop over the working yarn. Then you're going to hold the tail so it doesn't undo and pull tight. And there you have made a slip knot. And then you need to put it on your hook and tighten. The other thing you need to learn how to do is how to hold the yarn. To hold the yarn, this is how you do it. It may be a little difficult at first, but eventually you'll figure it out. So you're going to have your hand out flat, and you're going to lay the yarn over your first three fingers and grab it. Then you're going to take the yarn and wrap it around your pointer finger. Then the middle finger, which was the one holding the yarn, is going to go right back behind the little knot. Make sure your other two fingers are still holding it so you don't let go. And then you take your thumb and put it over it. And that is how you hold the yarn. So, to do the chain stitch. So what you do, it's pretty simple. You just hold the hook, you yarn over, you wrap it around the hook, and you pull the loop you had over. And that is the chain stitch. You just want to make sure, you don't want to make sure it's super tight, because then you will not be able to insert your hook in when you go back for the row. Or too loose, because then it'll be like way too loose. If you need, you can always help the loop over the hook, but eventually you won't need to do that. So again, yarn over, which is wrapping the yarn around the hook, and pull through. And that is how you do the chain stitch. Continue to do so until your desired length. I hope you enjoyed this video. Please like and subscribe, and make sure to hit the notification bell so you don't miss out on any future videos. Bye!